how to turn off Wink notifications. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off notifications for the Wink application, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to turn off notifications for the Wink app, open the settings application and then go to the option known as notifications and tap on it. And once you go to the notifications option, over here you should be able to scroll down to the bottom and look for the Wink app. If you do find Wink, then you can turn off the toggle. In my case I've already turned it off, so you're not seeing the option here. And once you do that, again, just for a bonus tip, go to the Siri tab, go to Siri suggestions and simply look for the Wink application from here, and then just turn off the toggle next to the Wink app, as you can find here like this. And once you turn off the toggle next to the Wink application, your Wink app notifications will get successfully disabled. This way you can turn off Wink notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.